our hominy porridge ready, guys.
Welcome back, guys. As you see from the title, we're going to make some hominy corn porridge. So let's get straight to the kitchen.
Here we have a pot of hominy corn. I'm going to rinse it and put it to boil. I'm using the pressure pot. I'm not doing a lot. I'm doing this amount. I have half. And this is the starch from the corn that's included in the package. In Jamaica we use flour, but here they have the starch included. So I'm just going to rinse these and add it to and put it to boil. All rinse. Now I'm just going to add it to boil with my cinnamon stick. Corn already cooked. Here is my spices that I'll be using: nutmeg, cinnamon powder, vanilla, condensed milk, and the starch from the that comes in the package. I'm just going to pour this in this bowl and add some water. Become thick now, guys. Now I'm going to add my spices and my milk and mix this. Add our condensed milk. Lower your flame. This is very tricky when you're sweetening your porridge with high flame. Then the sweetness will settle to the bottom. So lower your flame, guys. Add your nutmeg. Cinnamon powder. And our vanilla. You can definitely measure this. A teaspoon of vanilla, but I'm just eyeballing. We mix and adjust taste if needed. Our hominy porridge ready, guys. Texture just right. Now it's time to serve.
So there you have it, guys. My creamy, yummy hominy corn porridge. Yes. So tell me in the comment section, have you tried hominy corn before? Or will you try it out? And to my returning supporters, I appreciate you guys a lot. To those coming for the first time, welcome. So guys, please like, share, drop me a comment, and I'll catch you in another upload. So until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now.